Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2025 Armada. The Nissan Armada is a full-size SUV which seats up to 8 comfortably. It boasts a powerful engine and has a 9,000-pound tow rating, which puts it at the top of the class. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, LED headlights, steering wheel audio controls, lane departure warning, power passenger seat, keyless entry, traction control, stability control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.